Today I want to talk to you guys about Alabama Virtual Library and how to use it. So you're just going to open up, your Google tab. I'm going to type in Alabama Virtual Library, or you could just put in AVL, Alabama Virtual Library. It will come up. You could click either one. It doesn't matter. It's going to bring you to here. You're going to click on that, and it's going to bring you to this page. Once you get here, you're going to click on high school. This will give you references based on, what grade level you're in. You don't want to use elementary and middle because it might not pop up everything that you need. So you're going to type in whatever topic that you chose for your synthesis essay. I might need to know about video game violence. So I could type in, let's click here, type in video game violence. Once that comes up, you'll see all these articles here that you can use. Trump targets video game violence, shootings revive worries about video game violence. So, if you're talking about video game violence, you're probably going to argue whether or not it contributes to violence in teens. So these will give you a lot of articles that you can use. Remember, you need at least 1 to 2 articles. If you're in my 10th grade class, you need 2 articles from here. If you are in my freshman class, you need 1. So, Ferguson and the myth of video game violence, health, video game violence, all these you could use. You can find, you just need to find 1 or 2 that you can use. So you click on it here. It'll come up. So it'll come up, and basically all you have to do is click View Full Text. And it'll bring you to the actual text here, and you can look here and get whatever information you need. Also, if we go back to the page before, you see this over here. This will help you cite your source when you go into your to write your essay in MLA format. You'll have to cite your sources. So all you have to do is click this, and right here you can copy that. Right click, copy, and then transfer that over to your paper. And we'll talk more about that in the MLA format video. And I can do this for any of the articles that you choose. If I want to use health, video game violence, that's a video. If you want to watch that, you'll just view full text here, the same thing. You can cite it over here, whichever one that you want to use to help. You can either use even use other keywords to help you look up more articles. If I just wanted to look up violence in youth, I could search that up if I wanted to kind of use both ways to look at, to kind of argue my point for my synthesis essay. I could do this. Do violent movies create violence in youth? If you wanted to come at it from that way, that'd be a great idea. If this is your topic, again, you can do this with any topic. If I wanted to choose something completely different, such as, technology versus mental health. Does technology, can it make us feel more depressed? So I might put technology in the classroom, or technology versus mental health. Uh-oh, what happened? Versus mental health. There we go. Okay, click on that, click search. And again, many articles here that will help you. Results from University of Technology to mental health and diseases. So these will be great to use for some facts there to kind of help you argue your point. So be sure, though, to remember to, when you click on whatever article you want to use, The best way to make sure that you're citing these in the correct way is to just click this cite button. Super easy. Copy all of this. You know, right click, copy, and then paste this onto your the last page of your essay.